Hey, it's Rod V. Thanks for watching. Well, I've got the telecaster that I did the fractal wood burn on done. There it is. Get the glare off of it. That looks pretty good. I've got locking tuners on it. I've got active pickups, battery boxes in the back, and I made the pick guard out of birch. And I stained it the same color as I did the body, which is black cherry. And then I did a fractal wood burn cross on it. And if you can see, the lines are pretty straight. Now, if you want to know how I burned that cross in there and got the line straight, just drop a comment, hey Rod, how did you burn the cross in? And I'll make a video on it. Other than that, I'm not going to make a video on it. So we're going to go see a buddy of mine, John Paul. He's going to play this for me, but I have to warn you, my camera took a dump on me. I had to use my phone, so I hope the video turns out pretty good. So let's go see him. We'll see how it sounds. Well, there it was. I think it sounded really good. He liked it a lot. So anyway, if you want to see the next one, I don't know what it's going to be, just hit the like, subscribe button, come on back, check it out. And again, if you want to know how I burn in this cross on this birch with the Lynchburg wood burner, just drop a comment, hey Rod, how'd you burn in that cross so straight? And I'll make a video on it. Other than that, I'm not going to do it. So y'all have a good day, and we'll see you later.